Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to remove the search suggestions in Instagram. With this tutorial, you will finally get rid of your search suggestions every time you want to search something up. The first step is opening Instagram. You will be taken to your feed tab. Now, go to your profile. Once you're here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. You'll see a bunch of options. Tap on your activity. Scroll down and find recent searches. And here, you will see the recent searches you've made. Basically, it's your history. So to remove these, just tap on clear all, right here. But I don't have any search history yet, so I can't clear anything. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.